We are on a mission to redefine and simplify bot trading in the Forex markets. This means we are taking automated copy bot trading to the next level. Plan like a human, trade like a machine. Quick, precise, and free from emotional influence. Are you tired of staring at the screen, waiting for the right opportunity to land in your lap? Then let me show you how we can make a difference. Registered and verified. Partnered with official brokers. 100% transparency on trades. BotTronic is on a mission to build a worldwide community and make copy trading accessible to a wide range of people through our subscription service. Let me explain how it all works. You are in total control at all times through an official Forex broker. We don't manage your money. You only pay us a fee to use our service to trade automatically with our experienced team of traders. Setting up and getting started with BotTronic is simple. We've got you. We like to keep things simple, so we have developed various subscriptions for you to choose from. No nonsense and straightforward. All budgets are covered. So, about our affiliate program. Do you have a network? Referring to people is simple. You can earn a monthly passive income from every subscriber you introduce to the platform, and for as long as your subscriber stays with us, you get paid. The program is based on 3 levels of referrals. You can definitely build a legacy income with us. Are you ready to trade like an expert? Then create your account today. This is how. Contact the person who introduced you to BotTronic and ask for the referral link. Create your account and follow the comprehensive manuals we have available in the dashboard. We are redefining bot trading and want to help you redefine your financial abundance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to welcome you to BotTronic.
Welcome everybody to the presentation of BotTronic. We are redefining and simplifying bot trading in the Forex markets. I'm going to take you through the presentation, and if you have questions along the way, just go ahead and put them in the chat and I will make sure that I address them at the end of the presentation. So, we are all about planning like a human and trade like a machine. The subscriptions that we have are based on 100% copy trading. This means you will never lose control of your funds and you are still able to trade like an expert completely hands-free. So these are the things that we will be discussing in the presentation. First of all, we're going to be talking about what is Forex trading. We're going to be talking about what is BotTronic, who is behind BotTronic. I will be addressing the affiliate program and how to get started, and then we will close off this meeting with a Q&A. Before any presentations, I always have to make sure that I read a disclaimer, so I will do that in this case as well. All investments come with risks, and this information should not be relied upon as research, investment advice, or a recommendation regarding any product strategies or financial advice. This material is strictly for illustrative, educational, or informational purposes and is subject to change. Please consult a financial advisor and/or do your own independent due diligence to determine if the BotTronic products are right for you. BotTronic solely offers a copy trading platform. This means that all investments for trading are made with the independent brokers we have partnered with, and BotTronic has therefore no influence or carries any responsibility over your invested funds. And please also check the BotTronic terms and conditions on our website for further information about this. Okay, so let's get started. If you are new to Forex trading, then it's important to understand what is Forex trading, and I will be talking a little bit about that. Forex is pretty simple to understand. You trade one currency for another, and it's accessible. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it has $5 trillion in daily trading volume. So I did say $5 trillion in daily trading volume. It's therefore very dynamic. The foreign exchange market, also known as Forex, is where currencies are traded. Currencies are vital for all of us because they enable the purchase of goods and services locally and across the borders. International currencies need to be exchanged to conduct foreign trade and also business. One unique aspect of this international market is that there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Instead, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, also known as OTC, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders worldwide rather than using one centralized exchange. And you will need to create an account with a Forex broker to be able to trade in the Forex market. So that kind of leads us to the question, what is a Forex broker? Well, the Forex broker is a financial services company, and that provides us traders a platform for buying and selling foreign currencies. A Forex broker can also be known as a retail Forex broker or a currency trading broker. And opening a Forex trading account these days is pretty simple and can be done online. Before trading, the Forex broker will require a customer, which is you in this case, to deposit your money into the new account as collateral. We as BotTronic are compatible with several highly recommended brokers and provide special access links to create accounts with these brokers. So when you log into the BotTronic dashboard, you will have a special section that says brokers, and you will have all the brokers laid out there to choose from. And it's very important that you use our dashboard to create the accounts. So to trade, you do need a Forex broker and you need trading software. But here's the thing, most people do not know how to trade. So they will require an experienced trader to handle the trades for them. It's often very challenging to find a good trader who you can trust with your investments and also has the experience to trade without exposing due to a lot of risk, because in the end of the day, most traders in Forex, especially when you're starting out, you lose money. So it's very important to find someone who knows what they're doing. We as BotTronic, we are putting you in control of your money at all times, but at the same time, you are enabled to leverage the experience of seasoned traders. So we'll not only have an experienced team of traders, but also using bot trading to maximize the results. And BotTronic allows you to trade like an expert, but hands-free. You set it up and you walk away. So let's talk about a little bit more about BotTronic and what makes us so different in the industry. So we are a platform, but we are taking bot trading to the next level by using something that's called copy trading, also known as social trading, to make the concept of bot trading accessible to both new, inexperienced, and experienced investors. When you talk about copy trading, this is a portfolio management strategy where you copy the trades of another trader or bot automatically. It's not that you're doing anything, the software is doing that for you. You can still close trades and open new ones if you want that, but by copying another trader and their strategies, you are trading based on their skills and their experience. So that also means that BotTronic is a software. It's important to understand that you are not transferring funds to us, right? Instead, all the funds are stored and traded safely from the broker. And you're using one of the brokers that we have partnered with. And you also need something that's called MetaTrader 4 software. And there's a lot of information about that in our dashboard and also in our manual. So no worries about that at all. BotTronic serves as a bridge. So we are a bridge for the interaction between the accounts of the traders, which is you, and is us, sorry, and the investors, which is you, to a secured connection. So Forex investors have the opportunity to create a passive income simply by hooking up to our software, following the instructions, and sitting back while the automation does the work. And with this setup, we are kind of making a difference, because this is what happens, how we do it. We trade both long and short. And that means, in simple terms, that we trade when the market goes up and when the market goes down. And because we do this, no trades will ever get stuck because the market only goes one way. We have seen from our research and also from our experience in the last years using other copy traders that a lot of copy traders are trading upwards, which means they are trading when the market is doing really well, then they will trade. But when the market has a a little bit of an off day, or it's not going so well, then all your trades remain open until the market goes up again. And sometimes that ends up trades being open for weeks and sometimes even months if it goes really bad. So another thing that we do, we use stop losses, and we do this to balance out the risk. We take it very serious, and we will never ever take unnecessary risk. We will always go for a trading strategy that has a monthly target and never a daily target or a week target. We work towards a monthly targets. Another thing that's important to understand is that trades always close within 2 or 3 days. Most trades close the same day, so they open and they close on the same day. But if there are market swings and there's a lot of things going on in the market, there might be a few trades that will remain a little bit open longer, but it will never go beyond 3 days. So let's talk about these subscriptions. We like to keep things pretty simple. So we have developed 4 subscriptions for you to choose from. They are pretty no nonsense and very straightforward. But what I do want to emphasize is that the first thing that you need to understand is that no company can guarantee results if they are generally trading in the Forex markets. That's why we keep saying on our website and everywhere what we do, these are targets. We are not guaranteeing these results because there's no way for us to do that. So the ROI percentages that you see on our packages are ROI percentages based on past performances, but also targets. This is a target that we work towards. The Forex markets, it runs 24 hours per day, 5 days per week, and in some cases, a week of trading will close with a loss, while the following week may result in a significant gain. And I want to address this for a little bit, because the way we are set up, it means that you see everything. You see the good, the bad, and the ugly. So when you look in your account, you can see the trades happening. They are live. They are there. So you see it happen. So you also see the losses happen. And that means that you need to be able to stomach that and to really sit through it and really keep the big picture in mind. Because the big picture is that we have a monthly target. It's not about what we do in a day or even a week, as long as we are working toward that monthly target. And we do have a satisfaction guarantee. We promise that we will never close the month in a loss. If that ever was to happen, and that has never happened before, but if that ever was to happen, you will get the following month of your subscription for free. And I can address that a little bit more in the next slide as well. Of course, you're going to have access at all times to your account. You can always see everything that's going on. So here we have the subscriptions. I'm going to address each single one of them so you have a good understanding what we are dealing with here. The first one, BotTronic subscription. BotTronic starts at $97 a month. And by the way, you can also purchase subscriptions biannually and annually as well. So BotTronic is for when you have an investment between $500 and $50,000. And you can see here in the slide, it says manual trading by an expert. So what does that mean? That means that one of our traders is sitting behind their computers and screens and is placing the trades. So this is not a bot, this is an actual trader. And through the software of BotTronic, he copies a trade to your account. This is why this particular subscription only has 2 to 8 trades per day. And after you purchase the subscription, it will start within 24 hours and you are off to the races. The approximate ROI, and keep in mind, this is a target that we go for, is 20% per month. So this is the expectation that you can have with the BotTronic subscription. Then we have BotTronic subscription. You can see here the investment range is between $1,000 and $10,000. And now you see automated bot trading. This means that this is in fact bot trading, but it's managed and supervised by a trader. You can see here that the trades are significant. It's 20 to 60 trades per day. And to be fair, some days it's even a heck of a lot more. You might even be looking at 80 trades. Also the same with BotTronic, it starts within 24 hours after you purchase the subscription, you hook everything up, but the approximate target ROI for this one is 30% per month. And we have this one starting at $197 a month. Now we have BotTronic. You see here the investment range between 5,000 and 50,000. And again, this is manual trading by an expert. So the same as Xtronic, this is a trader sitting behind his screens, placing the trades, copying those to your account. And this will be around 8 to 15 trades per day. It starts within 24 hours as well. And also the target ROI is 30%. Last but not least, we have BotTronic subscription, starts at $497 a month. And the investment is between $15,000 and $100,000. This one is automated bot trading again, 20 to 60 trades per day, also starts within 24 hours, and the target ROI is 30%. So let me address the target ROI. Does that mean that it could be more than 30%? Yes, of course. It could be 40, 50, 60, 70. If we have an amazing month, and that might happen at one point if the market is doing a lot of things, then we might close out a month with above expectation, way above expectation. But keep in mind, this is real trading. There might be a month in there that we are closing out with maybe 25% or 20%. And if it's a really rough market in that month, it might even be 15%. But the target will always be what we are aiming for, what we want to work toward. And we, as a service provider, that's our goal. And the cool thing about this, and this is what I want to emphasize, you are in control. So you have your broker. You can withdraw at any given time with your broker whenever you want. So let's say that there is a day where you see that all of a sudden there's 15%, because it happens. I've seen it happen in my own accounts. I've seen it happen with our subscribers. And 15% in a day, that's awesome, right? But what to do? What do you do when you see that? Well, it kind of depends on a little bit on the strategy that you for yourself choose. But when you see that happen and you think, wow, this is a really awesome day, why not just take 50% profit off the table? So you take 7.5% profit away from the broker and you withdraw it. That's the kind of thing that you control. So if you see that there is a really good day and you're like, oh my God, I want to make sure that I enjoy this profit, then you can withdraw that at any time with the broker. So that's no problem at all. Okay, before we go to the next section, if you're here today and sitting here listening and think to yourself, this is pretty awesome, then make sure that you talk to the person who invited you here today. We have affiliates all over the world at this point already. And we really strongly recommend you acquire a link to one of our affiliate partners for extra support in your journey with us. Okay, now people ask a lot, but who is behind BotTronic? So we are all about transparency, and BotTronic has therefore checked all the dots when it comes to making sure that everything is compliant. So you see these beautiful robot pictures here. Of course, we are real people, and but we like the branding of the BotTronic, and so therefore you see these cute little pictures here. Anyway, Jeffrey is our CEO, and he lives in the Netherlands. He is our CEO and founder. You will see him a lot in our Telegram chat as well. We have Danny. He is our COO and a developer of the platform. He oversees all the technical moving pieces of BotTronic. Danny also lives in the Netherlands in Europe. Then myself, my name is Elizabeth Botman. I actually am originally from the Netherlands, but am now living in Canada. I am the CMO and the affiliate manager. Outside of us, we have, of course, a whole support team ready to support you, to help you, and to help you on your journey with BotTronic. So who are the traders? Which is another good question. First and foremost, it is Jeffrey. Jeffrey is the CEO of BotTronic and has been a trader in the Forex and crypto markets for 7 years. He is directly involved with the trading every single day. You will notice that he sometimes places videos in the Telegram chat as well. And he also oversees a team of traders who are also trading for BotTronic. All the traders are handpicked by Jeffrey, and we are only working with people who have a solid track record and who can help us get to those monthly targets that we put on those subscriptions. So where are we? I just addressed that we are in Netherlands and Canada, but we are registered in Malta, Europe. And this information is publicly available. And if you look us up, you will not see BotTronic, you will actually see FA Services, which is the main company, and BotTronic is a brand. And this information is publicly available. It's all in our terms and conditions. We are a software service provider, and we have chosen to register in Malta because of the favorable conditions for Forex and crypto trading, but also for our future plans and the fact that software service providers in the Forex and crypto markets who register in Malta, it's pretty awesome how things are arranged for us. The focus right now is on Forex, but we will be adding crypto to the offerings as well. Right now, you'll find us working from the Netherlands, Canada, and the United Kingdom, and all of our team members are available to help you. We also do live Zoom meetings just like this one, and if you need me to do a Zoom meeting, if you have a team, for instance, and you want me to do a Zoom meeting with you guys, then that's absolutely possible as well. Okay, we are compatible with a few Forex brokers. And you actually see a beautiful empty spot right here because there was a broker there, but we actually removed one broker of our offerings, and we are going to be replacing that with another one that we will be adding. The first that we also recommend, and we prefer that broker overall, is BD Swiss. And BD Swiss is a leading financial institution, has been around for quite a few years now. And the only thing is a BD Swiss for if you are in the US or in the UK, this is not your broker. You will not be able to use BD Swiss. Then also we have Hugo RVix. Hugo is, I like Hugo a lot. It has a few options as well. And we also have XM. It's also a really good broker, has been around for quite a few years as well. We always say to everyone, every single one of them, we ensure the compatibility. We talk to these brokers, we do our due diligence, and we do everything that we can to make sure we offer you compatibility with brokers that are reputable. However, we do want to emphasize that this is, you need to choose, right? You need to make sure that you also do your due diligence on a broker and that you choose the broker that you are most comfortable with. The only thing that you do need to understand, and that's very important when you get started with us, that you have to register through the links in our dashboard. And we have already noticed in the last few weeks, some people have already an account with Hugo or BD Swiss or XM, and maybe even a new one that we're going to be adding soon. If that's the case, it's a little bit of a hassle, but you will have to pick a different broker just for this purpose because we have special arrangements with these brokers. Of course, all of this information is also available in our manual in the dashboard. Okay, so why are we different? Well, first of all, we are compliant. Compliance matters to us. We have strived to do everything just right. We're partnered with the right professional, taking care of all the required legalities. We register the company. We make sure that we pay taxes and all of that good stuff. Everything is in order. We are secure. Security is very important to us. Our platform results from the work of top-notch developers, and we use Google Authentication to secure your login credentials and information. We are very helpful. Helping is in our nature. You will notice that the support and consulting team goes above and beyond to help you out. We're very transparent. Transparency is hard to find. We have experienced this firsthand. So we strive to be an open book to our investors, and if there are questions or concerns, we are always there to address them. We are also global. Global presence is very important to us. We are on a mission to onboard investors worldwide and show them the power of trading in the Forex markets. And we also find that we are innovative. Innovation is part of who we are and what we stand for. We will always continue to grow and improve the services, improve the quality of services and the software in itself. So what is our mission? Well, this is the thing. We have seen firsthand how things should not be done. And that's just why we have made our mission to change the narrative and blow also all the unethical platforms in Forex and in the future crypto out of the market. We are very passionate about putting the control back into the hands of investors and make it so that Forex and crypto trading is an experience that allows people to work towards financial freedom rather than it becomes a stressful experience. Learning to trade can really take years, and even then, only a small percentage of traders can do that in a life-changing way. And this is why we allow our subscribers to leverage the experience of our traders and grow their investments fully automated. We found it was time for something beyond honest. BotTronic is built on Dutch values. And if you can teach you one thing about the Dutch, we are very straightforward and we will go above and beyond for the subscribers to offer you guys top-notch service. I know we have a lot of people who love affiliate programs and refer people. We don't have a really elaborate program, but we do have a pretty cool one. So the program for the affiliate is the commissions are made purely on the price of the subscription. There's no profit or fees paid out from trading or deposits or any of that stuff. Commissions are also paid out recurring, which means for as long as your referral stays on board with BotTronic, you are going to get paid. So basically, every time your referral renews the subscription, you are going to get paid. We also recommend and advertise in general that our subscribers should join through an affiliate partner. This is also our way of supporting our leaders and making sure that every single subscriber is connected to one of our affiliate leaders for additional growth and support. So how does that affiliate plan look like? It's like this. It's 3 levels, which means level 1 is your direct referral, right? If I refer you, you are my direct referral, which is level 1. You're going to get 15% of whatever that person pays for their subscription. Then level 2 means if you bring a friend, then that would be level 2 for you. And if that person brings a friend, that's level 3, and you're going to get 5% on that. So it's 15, 10%, and 5% in all cases, as you can see here. No matter, regardless which subscription it is, regardless what is happening in terms of monthly, biannual, annually, that's what you're going to get paid. All the commissions are paid out recurring, are immediately available, and can be withdrawn in the dashboard. It's paid out in the cryptocurrency USDC, which is the same as $1. And you can, of course, exchange that to fiat money, or of course use it for crypto investments or whatever you want to be doing with that. So how can you get started today? If you're not with us yet, then this is how it works. First of all, go talk to the person who invited you to BotTronic. Find him or her, ask for the referral link, and sign up for an account. We find it very important that you honor that affiliate program. Then we have to start thinking about, okay, what's the subscription that I want? What's my investment range? What do I like? Do you like manual trading better? Do you want the expert to be placing trades manually and copying that to your account, or do you want to utilize the bot trading? Whatever it is that you want, and we can help you make that choice as well. You can get to us on Telegram, you can message us on the website, you can submit a support ticket. If you have a group of people that you want to come in, you can schedule an appointment with us, and we are happy to figure that out with you. Anyway, once you have that all set up, you have your account, you choose a subscription that fits your budget and needs, and then the second step is to choose the broker that that you like, right? You're going to look into the brokers that you will see in the dashboard and compare and see how you feel about them. All of them have, by the way, great support. So you can always like have a chat with them and see how you feel. Make sure that you do your due diligence in that regard as well. Through the broker, you're going to be downloading something that's called MetaTrader. And we have all this set up in a manual, where, when you do what, but every broker has their own version of MetaTrader 4 software. And that's also what we recommend, to just download that through the dashboard of the broker that you choose. After you've done all of that, you've set up your broker, you have done the MT4, and that's over with. All you now have to do is configure your trading account with us. And that's pretty simple. We have manuals and videos about that, and more videos are even coming soon that I will be adding to the dashboard as well. And then you're off, right? Your account is following automatically all of the signals, and everything is automatically. You can just log in on your phone or your laptop to see what's going on and how it all works. And you don't have to do anything. You just can go ahead and go on vacation or whatever it is that you want to be doing, and then choose when you want to withdraw. Do you want to do weekly, monthly? That's all you. That's the choice that you will be making. So we always emphasize, after you have your account, go to the setup area in the dashboard. Log in, go to the setup area, and download the PDF manual. The PDF manual has everything that you need to know. Everything, all the steps, all the things that all the flow of how you set up things is in there and available to you. Also, will be there's a few videos already there that will give you a good idea of what's going on. We are adding a whole bunch of other smaller videos too, to make it even easier for you, for those of you who just don't really like to read and rather watch. We want to make sure that we have something for you as well. Okay, and with that, I am at the end of the presentation. I will be stopping my share right now. I'm going to check out the questions in the chat. Okay. I see we have a few people here who are already with BotTronic. And he's asking, for those of you who are using the old broker that we have removed, since there's no longer support, when should we switch? We will be sending out information about that soon, but you have about 30 days to make that switch. So enough time to do that. I have someone, how often did you have these exceptional good months? So far, we have been reaching all the targets. So we are right on track. But you can see, he's also, I have someone asking, I want to see real pictures of the traders. Of course, you can see my picture right here on the screen. You can message me on Telegram if you want to, and I can connect you with our CEO if you prefer. And we absolutely have nothing to hide. So all good there. The manual, someone's asking, is the manual available before subscribing? And if you look on the website, in the FAQ section, you will find a download to the manual as well. The videos, no, the videos are set up in the dashboard. Now someone is asking, what happens if I choose a subscription and my account passes what the maximum is in the investment range? What that means, let's say that you have BotTronic, where the ceiling of that account is $50,000. You have to look at like this. The software is configured to work within $550,000. So if you see that you are getting a little bit too close to the $50,000, you have two choices. You can either upgrade. You can upgrade to a subscription that can handle the new investment range that you want to surpass, Well, you actually have three choices. So the first one is upgrade to a subscription that can go over the 50,000. The second choice is get a second subscription of the same, or something else that you want to try, because you can purchase as many subscriptions as you want. That's no problem. And the third one is don't let it pass the maximum. So if you almost get to the $50,000, then keep on withdrawing your money if that's what you want to be doing. But most people, from what I have seen in the last while, everyone wants to keep growing, right? So everyone wants to eventually also surpass. So we have a lot of subscribers right now that are taking a second subscription, and running 2 or 3 subscriptions next to each other to also diversify their different trading strategies. I have a little bit of a similar questions here, like if someone wants to start with BotTronic with $9,000, when it arrives at $10,000, one has to take away the profit. Yes, so if you just want to have BotTronic and you want to just be on that one, you just have to make sure that it has enough space on the range. So you have to keep on withdrawing with the broker to make sure that it's not hitting that $10,000 ceiling. Someone's asking, BD Swiss can also be funded by crypto. Yes, they also accept crypto. I do have a side note on that. I have noticed from talking to our subscribers, not all countries. So it kind of depends on where you live. So I recommend you to log into the dashboard of BotTronic, click on the BD Swiss link through the dashboard of BotTronic, and see what the website is telling you. Like what are they mentioning. And now someone comes on with the question, if I want to open a second BotTronic account, do I have to open a second BD Swiss account and a second MetaTrader? No. If you already have a broker, in your case that would be BD Swiss, you can open a second live account with your existing BD Swiss account. You can have in your BD Swiss account multiple live trading accounts. So that's what you need to do. You already have at this point the BD Swiss MetaTrader. It's the same thing. You open the second live account inside of your existing BD Swiss account, and then you also hook it up to the MetaTrader, and everything. You will have 2 accounts in MetaTrader and 2 accounts in your BD Swiss account, if that makes sense. We have someone following up on my so I should withdraw from the account and put it in another broker. Well, I think I already answered the question a little bit, but if you are ready to open your second subscription, you can choose a different broker if you want to. If you think to yourself, hey, I just want to diversify and choose a different broker as well, you can absolutely do that. You don't have to stay with one broker. If you have 2 subscriptions or 3 or 4 or whatever, you can absolutely try multiple brokers as well. That's no problem at all. Someone is asking me which accounts do I have. Well, actually, because I am the CMO, I have all of them, because I'm following all of them and I'm making sure that I am always aware of what's happening with them. So it's a little bit different for me. But if you join our Telegram group, there is lots of results there, people sharing their results, and I always put messages in there like, hey, let's share the results, and people will offer some screenshots and stuff like that. Someone says, I've been trying to use the system, using a demo account, something went wrong, and lost money. That sounds like a setting problem. I will strongly recommend that you contact the support and let them check your settings, because that's impossible. If this happened to you, then that must be a setting that's on your broker side. So something is up with that. So make sure that you contact the support and send in a ticket about that. Awesome. I think that were all the questions. If anything else, you have still like 1 minute to put it in the chat. Otherwise, we're going to be continue the conversation in Telegram, or you, of course, you can send a support ticket to the website as well. I hope that everything was clear and that you guys are excited. We are excited. We are continuing to get excited because so many more people are joining, and we are just loving the results. We're loving the feedback, and we are very passionate about making things better and better and better. Awesome. Have a fantastic rest of your day. We are here every Thursday. So if you have people you want to invite to these meetings, make sure that that they are aware of this. Every Thursday, same time, I am here doing this presentation and answering questions. Okay, that was it for today. Have a fantastic day and see you all next time.